Demystifying Personal Pronouns, a journey to master English grammar. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to delve into the fascinating world of personal pronouns. By the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently identify and correctly use personal pronouns in English. So, let's dive in. Personal pronouns are words we use in place of specific people, places, or things. They are quite handy, aren't they? They help us avoid repeating the same nouns over and over again in our sentences. The most common personal pronouns in English are I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. Personal pronouns can take on different roles within a sentence, and these roles determine their type. We have subject pronouns, object pronouns, and possessive pronouns. Subject pronouns. Subject pronouns act as the subject of a sentence. These are I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. Example: she is reading a book. Object pronouns. Object pronouns act as the object of a sentence. These are me, you, him, her, it, us, and them. Example: the teacher praised him. Possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns show ownership. These are mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, and theirs. Example: the book is mine. Now that we've identified the types of personal pronouns, let's talk about how to choose the correct one. The selection of a personal pronoun depends on its role, subject, object, or possessive, number, singular or plural, and gender, male, female, or neutral. Remember, it's crucial to choose the correct pronoun to ensure that your sentences make sense and deliver the message you intend. While personal pronouns are essential tools in English grammar, they can sometimes cause confusion. But don't worry, we'll look at some common mistakes and how to avoid them. 1. Confusing subject pronouns with object pronouns. Remember, subject pronouns perform actions, while object pronouns receive actions. Incorrect: her likes apples. Correct: she likes apples. 2. Misusing possessive pronouns. Remember, possessive pronouns indicate ownership, and they do not require an apostrophe. Incorrect: is that car yours? Correct: is that car yours? Well, that wraps up our journey into the realm of personal pronouns. With a little practice, these pronouns will become second nature to you. Remember, the key to mastering them is understanding their role, number, and gender, and avoiding common mistakes. Happy studying, and see you in our next video where we continue to unravel the intricacies of English grammar.